We're here at Marshall Park. My name is Cody Goldberg, and I'm here with Cory Anderson.
I'm the brother of Chelsea Anderson.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a fireman. We're at the Chelsea Anderson Memorial Police Station, located here in downtown Vancouver at the Marshall Center.
What do you remember about this?
The memories that I have of this particular structure, a lot of donated time, caring individuals from the Vancouver firefighters. It was a large community of friends and basically family that came together in the memory of my sister, for my parents and for my other sisters.
So when I called you up and said that we're planning to redo this park, what were your first thoughts?
I want my sister's memory to still be here, and I want the memory of the firefighters that donated thousands of hours and money and time, and other donors that helped donate to build this park in her memory, for that to be fulfilled, you know.
Luckily, that was the main reason I was calling you, was to let you know that that was the plan. Now that you're seeing the plans start to come to life, you're even carrying them in your hands.
Yep.
How do you feel the direction is going?
Oh, I'm excited.
Vancouver Fire Rescue play area. What do you think about our plans to try to put a real fire truck in here?
Oh, I love it.
Good.
I think it's awesome. You know, if it wasn't for the Vancouver firefighters, this park wouldn't be here.
Projects we appreciate the most are the ones where there's a family connection and we get to work with a family who wants to build something. We appreciate that your story is really what this whole thing is about, and that we get to be a part of that process with you of still honoring Chelsea. Thanks for letting us be a part of it.
Oh, I think it's awesome, and super excited for the future, and look forward to carrying on those memories and building new memories.
As well as, I think we'll even make the memorial look even better.
Very cool.
That's my guarantee.